Ever wondered if you could teleport straight into a German storybook village without leaving the country? What if I told you there's a place in America where every street corner feels like a scene from Bavaria, and it's unlike any town you've ever seen? Today we're not just visiting a town, we're peeling back the layers of a truly extraordinary place nestled deep in Washington State's stunning Cascade Mountains. This isn't just a quirky themed village, it's a living, breathing testament to imagination, community spirit, and a bold gamble that paid off in the most spectacular way. Get ready to discover how a struggling logging town transformed itself into an alpine paradise, drawing visitors from all over the world, offering an escape that blends breathtaking natural beauty with a cultural experience so convincing you'll forget you're not actually in Europe. Imagine driving through miles of rugged American wilderness, towering pines and winding rivers, when suddenly around a bend, a charming European village bursts into view. That's Leavenworth for you. It's an experience that hits you instantly, almost like a pleasant jolt to your senses. Every building, every sign, every detail screams Bavarian charm, from the half-timbered facades to the colorful murals depicting classic German scenes. This isn't just a few themed shops. It's an entire town committed to a vision, where even the McDonald's and Starbucks play along with the architectural theme. The first time you see it, you might rub your eyes, wondering if you took a wrong turn to another continent. But no, this gem is firmly planted in the Pacific Northwest, a testament to a truly audacious dream. The story of Leavenworth is one of incredible transformation, a real-life tale of grit and reinvention. Back in the 1960s, this wasn't the bustling tourist hub it is today. It was a dying timber town, facing the same fate as many other small, resource-dependent communities when the logging industry declined. Stores were closing, jobs were scarce, and the town was slowly fading away. It was a classic American small-town problem, one that many places simply couldn't recover from. But a few visionary locals looking for a lifeline stumbled upon an idea so wild, so out of the box, that it just might work. What if they could completely transform their town into a Bavarian village? This wasn't just a casual paint job. This was a wholehearted commitment, famously known as Project Alpine. They traveled to Solvang, California, another European-themed town, to learn from their success. Then, they brought in a team of University of Washington architects to help design and implement the ambitious makeover. The entire community rallied together, embracing the challenge. They rebuilt and redesigned, turning ordinary buildings into authentic-looking Bavarian structures, adding intricate woodwork, detailed frescoes, and flower boxes bursting with color. This wasn't just about attracting tourists, it was about injecting new life, new hope, and a new identity into a struggling community. It was a gamble, a big one, but one that ultimately saved the town and created something truly unique. Today, Leavenworth is a thriving year-round destination, proving that sometimes the most audacious ideas are the ones that lead to the greatest success. Now let's talk about what makes Leavenworth more than just a pretty facade, its distinctive Bavarian architecture. This isn't just a suggestion, it's a rule. Every building in the core of Leavenworth adheres to strict architectural guidelines, ensuring a consistent and immersive experience. You won't find a modern glass high-rise here. Instead, you'll see charming gabled roofs, decorative timber framing painted in contrasting colors, and intricate ironwork that transport you straight to the German Alps. Take a moment to really look at the details. The hand-painted murals telling stories of German folklore or alpine scenes, the flower-filled window boxes, the specific fonts used on shop signs, even the lampposts are carefully chosen to match the theme. It's like stepping onto a movie set, but it's all real, all functional, and all part of the daily life here. This commitment to detail creates an atmosphere that feels genuinely authentic, even though you're thousands of miles from Munich. It's a carefully crafted illusion that works perfectly, charming everyone who visits and making every stroll through town an exploration. Beyond the stunning visuals, Leavenworth offers an incredible range of activities no matter when you visit. It truly is a four-season playground. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, you're in for a treat. In the warmer months, the surrounding Cascade Mountains are a paradise for hikers, with trails ranging from easy riverside walks perfect for families to challenging climbs that reward you with breathtaking panoramic views. Rock climbing is big here, drawing adventurers to its rugged cliffs. And for water lovers, the Icicle River, a crystal-clear tributary of the Wenatchee River, offers opportunities for exhilarating whitewater rafting, serene kayaking, and excellent fishing. You can spend your days exploring alpine lakes, picnicking by waterfalls, or even horseback riding through forested trails. The fresh mountain air and stunning scenery are a constant companion, reminding you why people fall in love with this region. But when winter arrives, Leavenworth undergoes another magical transformation. It becomes a true winter wonderland, often blanketed in soft, pristine snow. The very thought of it makes you want to grab a mug of hot cocoa. The outdoor activities shift, but they don't slow down. Snowshoeing and cross-country skiing become popular ways to explore the quiet, snow-covered trails. For those who love downhill thrills, world-class ski resorts like Stevens Pass and Mission Ridge are just a short drive away, offering powdery slopes for all skill levels. There's also tubing, ice skating in the town square, and even sleigh rides that whisk you through snowy landscapes, making you feel like you're truly inside a Christmas card. This ability to completely reinvent itself with the seasons is one of Leavenworth's greatest strengths, ensuring there's always something new and exciting to do. Now, if you're anything like me, travel isn't complete without diving into the local culture, and Leavenworth delivers in spades, especially when it comes to festivals. This town absolutely thrives on celebration. It feels like there's always something happening, drawing huge crowds and injecting an infectious energy into the streets. The most famous, of course, is Oktoberfest, which is arguably one of the best outside of Germany itself. During Oktoberfest, the town explodes with Oompa bands, traditional German dancers, massive beer gardens overflowing with local and imported brews, and of course mountains of authentic German food. It's a lively, boisterous party that perfectly captures the spirit of the original Munich celebration, complete with lederhosen and dirndls everywhere you look. But the festivities don't stop there. In May, Leavenworth hosts Mayfest, a springtime festival celebrating the arrival of warmer weather with flower-filled parades, traditional Bavarian music, and a general feeling of joy and renewal. And then, as the year draws to a close, the town becomes world famous for its Christmas lighting festival. This is truly a sight to behold. Imagine walking through a village adorned with hundreds of thousands of twinkling lights, transforming it into a dazzling, glowing spectacle straight out of a holiday movie. Carolers sing, hot spiced wine warms your hands, and the scent of gingerbread fills the air. It's an incredibly popular event, often drawing so many people that the town buzzes with excitement. These festivals aren't just tourist traps. They're genuine cultural experiences, vibrant and full of life, giving you a chance to see the town at its most celebratory. Beyond the big festivals, the local shops are another huge part of Leavenworth's cultural heartbeat. Wandering through the streets, you'll find a delightful array of unique boutiques and specialty stores. This isn't your typical mall shopping experience. Here you can discover everything from authentic Bavarian cuckoo clocks, hand-carved wooden toys, and intricate Christmas ornaments to locally made crafts, artisanal cheeses, and fine wines from nearby vineyards. There are stores dedicated to gourmet chocolates, others to German-themed souvenirs, and of course plenty of places to pick up a souvenir beer stein or a traditional German hat. It's a treasure trove for anyone looking for something special, a unique gift, or just a little memento of their visit. The shopkeepers are often friendly, happy to chat, and contribute to that overall feeling of warmth and welcome that permeates the town. This blend of outdoor adventure, lively festivals, and charming local businesses ensures that there's never a dull moment in Leavenworth. Now let's get to my favorite part of any travel experience, the food. And in Leavenworth, the culinary scene is as authentically Bavarian as the architecture. You simply can't visit this town without diving headfirst into some hearty German fare. Forget your diet for a day or two. This is comfort food at its finest. You'll find numerous restaurants serving up classic dishes like crispy schnitzel, perfectly seasoned bratwurst, and giant, chewy pretzels that are practically a meal in themselves. My personal recommendation: find a place that serves Kassler Rippchen, which is smoked pork chops, or perhaps some Sauerbraten, a delicious pot roast marinated in vinegar. And don't forget the sauerkraut and Spätzle. The portions are generous, the flavors are rich, and it's all designed to stick to your ribs, perfect after a day of exploring. But it's not just about the food. Leavenworth is also a fantastic spot for those who appreciate a good drink. The region has a thriving craft beverage scene. You'll find several local breweries offering a wide selection of German-style beers, from crisp pilsners to rich malty lagers, often brewed right there in town. Many places offer tasting flights, letting you sample a variety of their creations. And because Leavenworth is situated in Washington State's prime wine country, there are also excellent wineries and tasting rooms both in and around town. You can spend an afternoon sampling some incredible local wines, often paired with stunning views. From cozy cafes serving delicious coffee and pastries to lively beer gardens with long communal tables perfect for making new friends, Leavenworth's dining options cater to every mood and preference. It's a complete sensory experience that truly rounds out the Bavarian immersion. So, as we wrap up our journey through Leavenworth, it's clear this isn't just another dot on the map. It's a testament to what a community can achieve with a shared vision, a dash of daring, and a whole lot of elbow grease. It's more than just a town, it's an entire experience, a unique slice of Bavarian culture perfectly placed amidst the rugged beauty of the Pacific Northwest. Leavenworth offers you the chance to step out of the ordinary, to immerse yourself in a different world without needing a passport. You'll find stunning natural landscapes waiting to be explored, a rich tapestry of festivals and traditions, and food that will make your taste buds sing. It's a place that consistently delights and surprises, leaving you with memories that feel a little like a dream. Leavenworth isn't just a successful tourist destination, it's a living fairy tale, proof that sometimes the most extraordinary places are the ones crafted with love, imagination, and a whole lot of ambition. If you're looking for a getaway that blends adventure, culture, and pure charm, then Leavenworth needs to be at the very top of your travel list.